Yes, James.
How many actual fires have you put out?
Lots, James.
I bet she hasn't put out as many fires as Uncle Sam. I'm going to ask him.
She's so cool.
So who's going to help me demonstrate barbecue safety?
No, me! Oh, there's no signal. I need to get up somewhere high.
Careful, Arnold. It's very windy.
I can see that, Elvis. Whoa! Whoa! No!
Maybe it would be better if you attached the windsock to the bottom of the pole and pulled it up like a flag. Oh, Sam, that's very clever. Didn't you want the ladder, Arnold?
Yes, I did actually.
Yes, James? No, Ellie has put out lots of fires. No, probably not as many as me, but still quite a few. Hello? Hello? Lost you, James.
Uncle Sam! Oh, no. The signal's gone again. Perhaps I should get even higher.
So first, we need to put the gas canister into the barbecue. And we have to be very careful with it, especially as we're near a campfire.
I'll do it! No! I'll do it!
Careful, girls! Oh, wait! Where's James?
I think he went that way to get a phone signal.
OK, you lot stay here and don't touch anything. I won't be long.
I'll get the gas canister ready for Ellie. No, I'll get it. No, I will.
Ellie said not to touch anything.
Oh, since when have you ever done what you're told? Give it to me. Oh, no!
Quick! Stand back, everyone, and get upwind!
James! James!
I'm up here!
Don't worry, James. Just keep calm. You're going to be fine. Just hold on tightly with your hands and move your right foot down.
Oh,
That's it, James. Just a bit further and I'll be able to reach you. Well done, James. I can get you from there. Now let go of the tree. Got you.
I was trying to call Fireman Sam, but I don't need to now you're here.
Actually, maybe we do need to call Fireman Sam.
Mandy and her horse are stuck at the bottom of a slope past the crossroads on the Pontypandy Hills.
Mandy and her horse are stuck at the bottom of a slope past the crossroads on the Pontypandy Hills.
Careful, Penny. We're about to head onto unsteady ground. Mandy, are you hurt?
Sam's ready.
The stretcher's ready. Then let's go.
How's the horse?
He was very scared, but I patted him and told him not to worry.
Oh, well done, Mandy. The horse is very calm. Now, let's give him a check.
Okay, Mandy. To get you up, just to be safe, I need you to lie on a stretcher. Lie flat for me.
The horse is fine.
We're ready for Phoenix's crane.
Oh, the noise is scaring the horse.
Hold Phoenix.
There. Sam, I'm going to keep the horse calm as you strap him into the sling. But do it slowly, okay? That's it. Stay nice and calm.
And he's out. Thanks, Lizzie.
How about some more beans, pardoner?
Oh, I think I've had enough.
Well, looky here. Everybody's back, eh? And we even got some guests. Come on in, everybody.
You know, I didn't really have riding lessons. I'm sorry for saying I did.
Mandy, it's not a good idea to ride horses unless you know how to.
Maybe I should have some lessons. I think I like horses after all.
Stand back, everyone! It is I, Daniel Steele.
Cut.
You can't call Cut Norman Price. I'm the director.
My line is not big enough.
Do it again from the top and stick to the script, Norman Price. And quiet, please, everyone. And action!
Help! There's a raging inferno blazing in the old coal shed. Run for your lives! Kiss your families goodbye! Tell my mom I love her!
Cut!
What?
Norman Price, that is not in the script.
Yes, it is. I just wrote it in.
You're making a mockery of my childhood. Now, properly this time. And action.
Never fear! Norman Man is here!
Cut!
What? One day, many years ago, a really long time ago.
Get on with it, Price.
I am. Before the days of fancy fire engines and big powerful helicopters, a fireman's best friend was his trusty bucket.
Pass the bucket to the next man. Pass it to the right.
Well, they've stolen my spotlight.
Hold strong and hold it steady. Hold it nice and tight. Pass the bucket to the next man. Pass it to the right. Fill it up with fresh spring water. Hold it strong and hold it.
James, I told you to keep the spotlight on me. Me at all times.
Station Officer Steele told me to keep it on whoever's singing.
Who cares what he said? He's only the director. I'm the star. Point it over there and leave it there.
The great Daniel Steele.
No, Norman.
There! Now that's my part of the stage, so leave it there.
This is your fault, Norman.
It can't be my fault. I'm the star!
Look out, everyone! Fire!
Oh, this is a dramatic twist. I didn't see that coming.
No, this is not part of the show. Listen to me, everybody. We need to evacuate the area.
The Mountain Activity Center is on fire, and my show is in ruins.
Have you calibrated the homing beacon?
I'm just eating my sandwiches. I've got ham and piccalilli.
Professor Piccalilli, I mean, Professor Pickles, I can't seem to find my coordinate data. I've got mine.
May I remind you, we're a secret society. We can't keep losing things.
I put mine in a ring binder.
Locking onto Andromeda's system now. Eyes on the skies.
If those are the right coordinates, Professor, all we can see is a cloud. Well, it looks very clear further out.
It does. If we could just get a few miles off the coast, we'll be able to lock onto the target.
But how would we do that?
One of those might do the trick.
Perfect. Gather the equipment. Nothing will stop us tonight.
Take it up, Penny.
Thank you, Fireman Sam. Sorry, Fireman Sam.
You two must know how dangerous it is to be out near the cliffs when it's getting dark.
We did have torches.
The torches won't save you from danger, Norman. Why were you out this late?
I think we'd better tell him who we are.
You do it, Norman.
We are the Wi-Files, otherwise known as Agent Price and Agent Sparks. investigators of the mysterious mysteries of Pontypandy.
We believe that a mysterious group of people are trying to contact aliens.
And coordinate an invasion of the Moon Men!
Right.
We were trying to follow them when Norman got a bit too close to the cliffs.
Why is it always my fault?
Mainly 'cause it is. Sam, I know you don't believe us, but look, we found this.
That is a bit odd.
You coming back up, Sam?
No, Penny. You go back to the station. I'll make sure the kids get back safely. And maybe help them with their investigation.
Yes!
We'll take the oars. Hey, Bronny?
OK, Dad.
Everyone in?
It's a bit of a squeeze.
To beyond the clouds!
Quite a strong tide tonight, Dad.
It is, Bronny. It is.
Don't worry, my little wonder cadet. We are nearly there.
Wallaby 2 is still here! We made it, Mom! I'm here!
Where is everybody?
That sounds like a helicopter taking off!
Come in, Moose. This is Tom Thomas bringing Wallaby 2 to the Mountain Activity Centre to pick up the cadets. Over.
Mom, we're supposed to be at the Mountain Activity Centre, not the Mountain Rescue Centre! Come back!
Don't worry, my angel face. You will ride in that helicopter. They know a shortcut. Hold on, Norman.
Ah, now my socks are soggy!
Could you... Oh!
OK, cadets. Lower your stretchers.
Ooh, wait. Not too fast. Ow. Wasn't I only supposed to be setting up the equipment?
Well done, cadets. You've learned how to unload a stretcher, strap your dummies in, carry and hold them.
Dummies?
Now for the main event. It's time to learn helicopter procedures before you ride in one.
Oh, wow! Norman is missing such an exciting day.
Yeah, I bet he's really bored.
Watch out, Mom! There's a fallen tree!
Oh, that wasn't there last time.
When was that?
10 years ago.
Oh. Hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes! I know! Hitting I don't think I'll make that helicopter ride.
We need to call Fireman Sam.
Norman and Dilys Price are stuck in a tree inside their car over the ravine in the woods.
Oh, my!
And on to your last activity, the ride in Wallaby 2.
Oh, no.
Oh, no! I just had a terrible dream that Norman Price threw a flare into the laundry basket and set fire to me house. It wasn't a dream, was it?
Norman Price has set off a flare and caused a fire in the Flood's house.
Norman Price has set off a flare and caused a fire in the Flood's house.
Elvis and Ellie, you fight the fire from outside. Penny and I will rescue anyone inside.
Right, Tom.
The door's blocked. Stand back!
Mandy!
Calm down, Norman. It's just me. That sounds like Mandy. You take Norman and Mike out, Penny. I'm going up.
It's getting spooky in here.
Keep low, Mandy, and stay back from the door. I'm coming in. Oh! You're safe now, Mandy.
Oh dear, what's going on?
Norman almost burnt our house down. I think I'm sick.
You must have caught the winter bug. James and Hannah have got it too.
So they weren't pondies, Norman. Everyone is just sick.
I knew that.
Flares are very dangerous things, Norman, and should never be fired inside a house.
I'm sorry, Sam. I think that scary movie might have been a bit too scary.
I know what'll make you forget all about it, Norman. A good sing-along.
Oh, no.
When the sun is nice and hot,
Come and party on my yacht.
Wake up! Shape up!
shake up my summer go-go.
Ah, that song is more horrible than a pondy bug.
You know, Norman, for once, I actually agree with you.
Can be the champion alien bug hunters of Pontypandy.
Well, no. But what if Ben needs Neptune?
He's got Titan. And besides, we'll be back before he's finished his lunch.
The steering on Neptune is almost the same as on Dad's boat.
Take her to warp drive, Engineer Sarah.
I really don't like warp drive.
Oh, you never should have laughed at Station Officer Steele, Elvis. He's hidden Dolly really well this time.
Cold, freezing.
Brrr. We've looked everywhere. I've got an idea. First rule of search and rescue. The higher you are, the further you can see. Bingo!
Ooh, so cold. So cold.
You might want to look on Jupiter's roof, Elvis.
Oh, what? Getting warm, hot.
Got her!
That way!
It's getting quite choppy, Sarah. Maybe you should slow down a bit.
If you slow down, Sarah, they'll beat us!
Take a left. I mean starboard.
You mean port?
Oh, look! It's the kids driving Neptune. Hello, kids! Wait a minute. Our kids are driving Neptune.
At full throttle. I think we'd better call Fireman Sam.
Norman, Mandy, James and Sarah are heading out to sea at full throttle on Neptune looking for alien insects.
Norman, Mandy, James and Sarah are heading out to sea at full throttle on Neptune looking for alien insects. Oh, I miss the days when we used to rescue cats from trees.
I still haven't got a signal.
We've beaten Charlie and Mike! Let's head back to land.
I'm not sure which way to go. I can't understand this navigation equipment.
We're over there. I think it's that way.
You're the captain.
Sam, I've had a bit of an accident cleaning your uniform. But I did get rid of the smell.
Thanks, Elvis. But I think
There is a fire at the Flood's house. Mandy, Hannah, and Norman are trapped inside.
There's a fire at the Flood's house. Mandy, Hannah, and Norman are trapped inside.
Oh no! My house is on fire! Again!
Norman, Mandy, Hannah, I need you to keep away from the front door. Ready, Penny?
Ready, Sam. Stay back, everyone!
Take my hand. Keep as low as you can and I'll guide you through the smoke and out of the house. Walk straight and head towards Jupiter's blue flashing lights.
Sam! The cat is still in there!
Okay, Norman, I'll find it.
We'd better call Lizzie to come and check the cat's okay.
The fire's out, Sam.
Do you think the stinky cat is okay?
He's fine. And even better, I found his owner, Mrs. Chen. I'm meeting her at my surgery.
We never did find out who stole the Pinsy Ponsonby diamond.
Oh, I know that one. It was Colonel Ketchup. Oh, wait. Or was it Lady Pifflington? Oh, maybe it was Professor Poodlehair.
I think I'll just wait till I can watch the end.
Might be a while till you can do that, Norman.
Oh, no! My DVD! Now I'll never find out who did it.
Never mind all that, Norman. You know that children should never light candles.
Well, we know who done that.
A grown-up should light them, and they should be kept in a safe place away from pets.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Really sorry.
Oh!